Pulangi River is the fifth longest river in the Philippines. Pulangi River is one of the source of food of the people who live near at the village. But Pulangi River is their biggest threats in terms of flood, because according to NDRRMC, National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, a total of 9 deaths were reported in Valencia City, Bukidnon last 2015. And last February 2020, a boy was reportedly drowned. According to the people, it was captured by a mythical creature named or called Shokoy. Shokoy is a monster who lives underwater. But according to the report, the boy was carried away by the current. Till now, there are some unsolved mystery of Pulangi River. Some people says that they saw a white lady standing near at the Pulangi River. Pulangi River is once reported as there are many people died here. So the villagers says that it is one of the reasons why there are spirit shows here in the Pulangi River. Pulangi River was also polluted by the humans, plastics, cellophanes, rubbers, and more. Pulangi River stays at its beauty. The people who live near at the river are also grateful because the river helped their productions like corns and piggeries, and also in terms of fishing. Pulangi River stays at its beauty, but once the humans destroys it, there are a big possibility that the nature will also destroy the human beings. Reportedly, there are 8 to 10 houses was built near at the river, and there are only 50 to 60 of people live near in the village. The river stays one of the attractions of Valencia City, Bukidnon, and its beauty.